Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, this is Dhathri. So today we are going to be visiting Mount Donna Buang. I don't know if it's pronounced right. This is a mountain in Victoria which is about 1245 feet, and it's the mountain which is closest to Melbourne where it snows. It was about a 2-hour drive from our home, and we went there on June 7th or 8th. And yeah, I'm posting it a bit, no, actually very late. Back then, it wasn't actually fully winter. We just checked the weather forecast and it said there would be a little bit snow. So we just took our chances and went there to experience my first snowfall. Actually, not snowfall, but just snow. This was my first time seeing snow, so I think you'll get how excited I am. So let's go. So after reaching there, we parked our car and we hiked up a little bit. It wasn't actually snowing, but it was raining very bad and it was very, very freezing. Like, I took out my hands to film and they weren't functioning, you guys. I couldn't even hold my camera properly. So, to be honest, I've never really actually experienced cold climates in my life. Like, back in India, it never actually goes down below 20 degrees or say 18 degrees. But here, I almost experienced -4 or -7 degrees. Well, it was very new, but I didn't catch a cold surprisingly. So we went and took some pictures and we also climbed up the tower. I think it's about 21 meters high or something. And it was so windy. I almost felt like I'll be blown away. I was already blown away by the view. And adding to that, I have a fear of heights. Yes. And it was windy and it was cold and I felt like, oh, but it was worth it. After our beautiful snow experience, just below the Mount Donna Buang is the Rainforest Gallery. So if you're here, you must check it out. Well, no, it's not snowing, but you can go to the Rainforest Gallery during the spring or the summer. And the trees, oh my god, they're so tall that I felt short. I know it's the worst joke. Please bear with me. So, like you saw, there is an elevated skywalk which you can walk on, and when it rains or during rainy season, this smells so divine, like it smells of earth. And honestly, who doesn't love the smell of the rain? And we also spotted this bird. I think it's called the lyre bird or something. It mimics voices exactly. So yeah, and like I said, you can also come here during the summers as it's going to keep you cool, restricting the sunlight entering down below as there's a huge canopy of trees above. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I know it's a very short video, but it's like one of my core memories because I witnessed snow for the first time. Hopefully, we'll witness snowfall together too very soon, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Until then, bye bye.